Hey everybody, welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. I am Yuri. Today I will show you how to make satsumaimo gohan, the Japanese sweet potato rice. This is, I think, more likely seasonal recipe. In Japan, that sweet potato is more likely winter food. And it is very sweet, and it's just good because sweetness is coming from sweet potatoes, and of course the rice. That's what we like as an Asian or Japanese, and just make me more in my home or my parents' house. And it is easy, so I'll show you how to make it today. Recently, I discovered when I went to Whole Foods to purchase some Japanese sweet potatoes, and a couple times that's when I was picking up the sweet potatoes, people coming over and just saying, this is the best sweet potatoes, or this is very good. Do you know that's this sweet potatoes? And I'm like, of course I know. I came from Japan, and those are the Japanese sweet potatoes. And it is a little different than American sweet potatoes. The color is different, first of all. The Japanese sweet potato is more white or the yellowy color inside. I think American one is more likely orangey. I was planned to make chestnut rice, which is popular in Japan around fall seasons. And chestnut is popular in Japan everywhere. You can sometimes go and pick up those chestnut, the place that they have Chestnut Farm. And but I've never seen chestnut around my area or in US. Maybe they have place that they grow chestnut, but I don't have any luck to find people selling chestnut. So I went to Whole Foods that's back a couple of years, maybe more than years, but they sold those things even in the supermarket. So I hopefully can find and purchase, but I couldn't find it or any luck, any place, even Asian grocery store. So I gave up. But instead, kind of similar food, I thought, okay, then Japanese sweet potato rice. So this is how to make Japanese sweet potato rice. I hope you enjoy how to make Japanese sweet potato rice today, and hopefully you will try to make those recipe. This is Japanese Cooking Lovers, and I am Yuri. Thanks for watching and see you next time soon.